Have you ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing cash fast? Maybe your car broke down, or an unexpected bill came due. In those moments, the thought of a quick cash infusion can be a lifesaver. But does Sofi offer that instant gratification? Let's dive in and find out. Sofi, once known primarily for its student loan refinancing, has expanded its offerings to include a variety of financial products. One of these is the Sofi Money account, which comes with a debit card. Now, the question is, can you cash checks instantly using this debit card? The short answer, not always. While Sofi Money does offer the convenience of a debit card, it doesn't guarantee instant check cashing. The speed at which your check clears can depend on several factors, including check type. Personal checks, business checks, and government checks may have different processing times. Check amount. Larger checks may take longer to verify. Check writer's bank. If the check is drawn on a bank that isn't part of Sofi's network, it could delay the clearing process. Sofi's system. There might be occasional technical glitches or processing delays within Sofi's system. Understanding the process. When you try to cash a check using your Sofi Money debit card, here's what typically happens. Mobile app or ATM. You can either use the Sofi mobile app or an ATM to initiate the check cashing process. Check deposit. You'll be prompted to take a photo of the front and back of the check. Verification. Sofi's system will verify the check information and check writer's bank. Funds availability. If everything checks out, the funds from the cashed check will be made available to you. However, this could take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Alternatives to Sofi. If you need immediate cash and Sofi isn't cutting it, here are some alternative options to consider. Traditional banks. While they might not be as fast as a mobile app, traditional banks often offer check cashing services. Check cashing stores. These stores specialize in cashing checks, but they usually charge a fee. Mobile check cashing apps. There are several apps that allow you to cash checks using your smartphone. Tips for faster check clearing. Here are a few tips to help expedite the check clearing process. Use mobile check deposit. This is often faster than using an ATM. Ensure check quality. Make sure the check is legible and free from any errors. Check writer's bank. If possible, choose a check writer whose bank is part of Sofi's network. Be patient. Even if Sofi doesn't offer instant check cashing, it's still a convenient option for many people. So, does Sofi cash checks instantly? The answer is, it depends. While Sofi Money offers a convenient way to cash checks, the speed can vary. If you need immediate cash, you might want to explore other options. However, if you're willing to wait a few hours or days, Sofi can be a great choice for your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.